Have you ever wondered why the prostate gland, a small organ located beneath the bladder, can cause such significant discomfort as we age? This little gem, the prostate, is a crucial player in the male reproductive system. It's responsible for producing a fluid that nourishes and protects sperm. Nestled just below the bladder and in front of the rectum, it wraps around a section of the urethra, the tube that carries urine from the bladder out of the body. But like many things in life, the prostate changes as we grow older. It's like a small fruit slowly ripening over time, gradually growing larger. This growth is a normal part of aging for many men, however, it's not without its complications. As men age, the prostate gland tends to grow, a condition known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH. But what does this mean for you? Did you know that an estimated 50% of men in their 50s have an enlarged prostate, and this figure rises to 90% for men in their 80s? Quite a startling statistic, isn't it? This common issue is often linked to the natural aging process. Just as the wrinkles appear on our skin and the color in our hair fades, our prostate gland can also grow with age. It's an internal change, unseen to the naked eye, but it can have a significant impact on a man's quality of life. As men age, the cells in their prostate gland can multiply, causing the gland to swell. This is referred to as benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH for short. It's important to remember that an enlarged prostate is not a sign of weakness or a mark against your manhood. It's a part of the journey of aging, a common experience shared by many men across the globe. An enlarged prostate is not a rarity, it's a reality for many men. But how does it affect your daily life? An enlarged prostate might sound harmless, but it can lead to a range of uncomfortable and sometimes serious health issues. One of the most common problems associated with an enlarged prostate is frequent urination. This is because as the prostate grows, it presses against the urethra, the tube that carries urine from the bladder out of the body, causing a need to urinate often. This can be especially bothersome at night, leading to disrupted sleep and daytime fatigue. Difficulty starting and stopping urination is another problem that men with an enlarged prostate may experience. This is known as urinary hesitancy, and it can create a lot of frustration and anxiety. Imagine standing at a urinal, feeling the need to go, but nothing happens. Or you start to urinate, but then it suddenly stops midstream. This is the reality for many men with an enlarged prostate. Urinary tract infections, or UTIs, are also more common in men with an enlarged prostate. This is because the bladder doesn't fully empty when you urinate, allowing bacteria to grow. UTIs can cause a range of symptoms, including a burning sensation when urinating, lower abdominal pain, and sometimes even fever and chills. If left untreated, a UTI can lead to more serious complications, like a kidney infection. And speaking of kidneys, an enlarged prostate can cause kidney problems too. If the bladder doesn't empty completely over a long period, it can lead to a condition called hydronephrosis. This is when the kidneys swell due to the backup of urine, and it can cause kidney damage or even kidney failure. These issues aren't just uncomfortable, they can affect a man's quality of life. Social activities may be avoided for fear of needing the bathroom, and physical activities may be curtailed due to fatigue or discomfort. The psychological toll can also be significant, leading to feelings of depression or anxiety. An enlarged prostate is not just about frequent bathroom trips, it can significantly impact your life. But remember, knowledge is power. Understanding the issues surrounding an enlarged prostate is a step towards better health and better living. As we've discussed, the prostate gland, a small but significant part of the male reproductive system, can enlarge as men age. This common issue, often referred to as an enlarged prostate, can cause a variety of problems. From frequent urination, especially at night, to difficulty starting and stopping urination, the symptoms can be quite disruptive. More severe cases may lead to urinary tract infections or kidney problems. But it's important to remember that these issues are not a badge of shame, but a call to action. The prostate and urinary tract are warm and moist environments, perfect for fungus and mold to grow and thrive. This causes an infection called fungal prostatitis, which eventually leads to an inflamed prostate. Check out the link in the description box for my #1 recommendation to combat this uncomfortable condition.